agree. Oh no, it's stuck. It got stuck. This is not meant to be lewd. This is a real technique, I swear to God. I swear to Georgia Lucas. Cutest burper? No. Why is that such an...
No.
Excuse me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hi, Robbie. Welcome to my stream. Oh. That was so gross. I'm sorry. Oh, we got a hype train. Thank you so much. I appreciate the last of your bits. Okay. Excuse me. Please don't kill yourselves. Wait, we've got Sonic. Excuse me. Okay, good night, you guys. Thank you. See you later. Fuck you guys. Oh my god, tiny squishy. Thank you. 1 second, my cat wants to come in.
But maybe.
Oh my gosh. Okay. My friend Paige was excuse me.
How's he gonna get over? Is he gonna run all the way back or try to duke this invisible Yuko that he fucking summoned with her name like a dumbass?
Yuko. Oh no.
Oh?
This seems set up wrong. I don't have a minecart.
That's good. No. I am excited to go to university. Excuse me. I'm literally Nah, this is just like, okay, we're...
Have one, I guess. So I have literally all.
Oh, okay, I'll see you later. Thank you.
Yeah,
Happy
so,
Halloween.
Domestic Giraffe needs to make his way back to the school.
Yeah, I am on my.
I thought that said moist anime shows. I've seen moist anime shows. This is a song.